Hello everyone! Today we are making a homemade yogurt. This is a milk, a pen, a spatula, and a natural yogurt. And a bowl. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes. While the oven heats up, place the milk in a medium saucepan. And bring to a low heat. Stir gently with a spatula for about 15 minutes until foaming begins on the surface. Warning: do not boil. At this stage, it is important to stir to prevent the formation of cream. Transfer the milk to a bowl to maintain the growth temperature of the lactobacillus. Wait for the milk to chill, mixing from time to time to check the temperature. Place your index finger inside the milk. You should be able to keep it for 10 seconds. In a small bowl, place the yogurt and mix well with a warm milk lightly until dissolved. Add the mixture to the milk, mixing gently. Bring the mixture to ferment, cover the bowl and wrap in a thick cloth to keep the milk warm. Place the wrapped bowl inside the heated oven off and leave for at least 8 hours until the yogurt forms. After ready, take the bowl with the yogurt to firm in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. This is my grandmother and she taught me this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.